In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. Before we begin, a quick note. Two-step verification adds a strong layer of protection to your Google account. Turning it off makes signing in simpler, but it also lowers your security. Proceed only if you understand the trade-off or need to disable it temporarily. You can always turn it back on later. Start by opening your web browser and going to myaccountgoogle.com. If you aren't already signed in, enter your Google account email and password to continue. You may also be asked for a second factor right now. That's normal since two-step verification is still active. Complete the prompt so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the Google account homepage, look to the navigation on the left and choose Security, sometimes labeled Security and Sign In. This area controls how you protect your account and how you log in. Scroll, if needed, to the section called How You Sign into Google. Here you'll see options related to your password, recovery methods, and the two-step verification setting we're about to change. Click Two-Step Verification to open its details. For your safety, Google may ask you to verify it's really you by re-entering your password. Go ahead and confirm. The two-step verification page will show which second factors you've been using, such as Google prompts, backup codes, or a security key. To turn it off, find the Turn Off button and select it. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you understand the impact. Choose Turn Off again to confirm. That's it. From now on, you'll only need your password to sign in, and Google will stop requesting verification codes, prompts, or security keys on new devices. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option to turn off two-step verification, your organization or administrator may require it, and you won't be able to disable it on this account. If you turned it off only for troubleshooting, consider re-enabling it once you're done to restore strong protection. Also, keep your recovery email and phone updated in the security section so you can get back into your account if you ever forget your password. That's the complete process. You can close the tab when you're finished, and remember you can return to myaccountgoogle.com at any time to revisit security settings and manage your sign-in options.